Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 15 of the small account challenge, and guess what guys, we're green on the day. Consistency is up and accuracy is up, so you gotta love it. And if you love it too, smash that like button. But today I traded one stock only. Somebody called it out in my chat room and it was ALT. I seen the setup, got in, got out with profit, and that's it guys. And if you guys want to see the pattern that I trade each and every day, there's going to be a link in the description. You don't want to miss it. This is what I use each and every day. All right, so check that link out in the description. Right, so far I'm doing very good. So my accuracy is up, my consistency is up, and I'm also being extra disciplined. I know I say it all the time, one of my problem is my discipline, and I'm being very disciplined. All right, so today I made $100 in profit. Remember, base hits each and every day until you get the opportunity to get that home run. All right, remember guys, it is not a race, it's a marathon. Remember that. So anyways, so I traded one stock, I got in, got out. I did leave a little bit on the table, a little bit of profit on the table, but that's fine. All right, the whole point of this game is to get profit. It doesn't matter how much it is. All right, so we're gonna lock in, we're gonna look at the chart. So let's go. All right, let's go. What you waiting for? Stop playing. So one of the stock I was looking to actually trade this morning was AD. Let me see, let me just double check the name. The first stock I was trying to trade was ADTX, and the reason why I wanted to trade it ADTX was because I was plotting on this since yesterday. I was looking at it and I seen that it wanted to have recent reverse split, and recently the stocks that are recent reverse split or have a reverse split have been doing very well. Right, this stock closed yesterday around, let's see, around either 50 cents or 30 something cents, right? And then when I woke up this morning, I seen this all the way up at a high of $34. That is ridiculous, right? And I'm like, wow, this is crazy. So I was looking to make this trade basically today, and I didn't expect it to do this crazy pre-market, but it went up crazy. And then after a while it started to break down, and I'm like, this don't look right. So when market opened, as you can see, it started to tank. And the reason why I feel like it tanked was because when the people that are bag holders for so long, once they see the opportunity to actually either take profit or lower their losses, they're gonna take it. So imagine all these people that's been bag holders for so long, all the way till like since November, right? These are bag holders waiting for this stock to either make some type of big move. You're going to take profit or lessen your loss, right? I mean, if you basically was in this at 34 or 60 cents and it went up this way or this high, you're basically in profit. So by a lot. So you're gonna take profit. Anybody with common sense is gonna take profit. And I think that's one of the reasons why this basically tanked the rest of the day. And this was one of the stocks I was looking to actually get a home run hit on, right? But it didn't work out in our favor, so I didn't take the trade and I couldn't short it. So it is what it is. So after that, I was looking in my chat room and somebody called out ALT. And when I seen that, I looked at the chart and I seen this big drop. So I'm like, wow, why did this drop so much? And I didn't know, and I really didn't care. And guess what I did? I decided I wanted to go long on this. And the reason why I wanted to go long on this is because this tanked so much, you're bound to see a bounce. And this is what they call the dead cat bounce, right? So it basically went from, let's start from here. It started from a high of 2052 and dropped all the way to what, 742. You're going to potentially see a bounce. It doesn't always happen, but majority of the time you're going to see a bounce. And when I seen the bounce, I took advantage of it, right? So in the beginning, I wasn't sure yet, and it was going up, 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 and up. And I'm like, you know what? This is a dead cat bounce. I'm gonna take advantage. I'm gonna be a little bit safe. I'm gonna play cautious, but I decided to jump in on this stock after it broke this level of basically 1450, right? And then around 1055, around here, I jumped in this stock at 1476, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check. Let's be correct. I don't want to cap. Right? Yeah. So I got in at 1476. So around here. No. Sorry. Around here, 1476. And as soon as I jumped in at 1476, it just ripped up. And I did take off well, basically I closed out all my position. And the reason why I closed out my position was because this price action was moving a little bit shaky. So I got in 1476 and I rode it all the way to 1409. So I got in that got out at 1409 and I left a lot on the table, and it's okay. I got my profit, I got in and got out, and that's all that matters. And as you can see, when I got in, it started to consolidate, and I wasn't sure if this breakout of the $15 was going to hold, and that's why I sold basically my position, because we got this consolidation here. And if you was actually watching this and you was reading the level 2, you would have been a little bit shaky as well, unless you have more confidence than me. But when I seen the price action, I wasn't sure, and I was like, you know what, let me just take my profit and go. I'd rather be certain than mess up my actual profit. And this is the only stock I traded today. I wasn't feeling how the market was moving, so I wanted to just get in and get out. And then as you can see, it started to rip and go higher and higher, short squeeze, basically. Yeah, and then after a while, I was starting to get tired, and I was gonna take another trade down here, but I was like, you know what? It's 11 o'clock. My discipline is when 11 o'clock comes, 11:30 comes, get off the computer. Plus, I was tired, so I was like, you know what? Let me get off. Let me hold my profit and just go about my business. So I got off and went to sleep and woke up very happy. So I'm glad I didn't overstay my welcome, and I enjoyed the rest of the day, you know. So that's the end of the recap, guys. If you guys want to join the Key Life gang, smash that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It's easy. Plus, it's free. So do me a favor, do all that YouTube stuff. And hopefully you guys did good. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day and enjoy. Peace.